Hi viewers, hi students, and hi everyone. This is Surinder. Welcome back to one more session of Vedic Mathematics. In the previous video, we have learnt two sutras, that is Ekadikena Purvena, that is one more than the previous one, and Ekanyunyena Purvena, that is one less than the previous one. Now in this video, we will learn how to apply these sutras while doing the problems, and how these sutras help us solve the problems very quickly and very fast. So, in the previous videos we have done multiplication with reference to a base. So, our base was 100. So, we have three cases. When the two numbers are less than the base, and the second case is when the two numbers are more than the base, and the third case is when one number is less than the base and one number is more than the base. So, here first we will go through the third case when one number is less than the base and one number is more than the base, and then we will solve all the three cases taking some other base. So let us start. Now base 100, let us do this one. 96 into 106 for example. Now we know that we write 96 as it is here, 106 as it is here. We are multiplying these numbers. So here 96 is less than 100. How much it is less than 100? 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. We are using the Nicholam Sutra here. So this is negative 4. 106, how much it is more than 100? 6 more than 100. So right side numbers we multiply directly, as you know. So plus into minus will become minus. 6 fours are, it will become 24. But this is minus 24. That is negative 24. Negative number. Now, to get the left side part of the answer, we know that diagonally we go like this. 96 plus 6, 1 or 2. 106 minus 4, 1 or 2. In both the cases, we are getting the same answer, 1 or 2. But this is not our final answer. Now, to get our final answer, what we have to do? We have to use the sutra Ekanyunyena Purvena. That means we are changing a negative number into a positive number. Now see, negative number is 24 is the negative number here. Just before 24 we have 2 here. But if you consider this whole number is 102, 102. So whatever number is here, that number you reduce by 1 less. So 102 will become 101. So this is our left side answer. Now to get the right side answer, correct answer, these two numbers using the Nicholam Sutra, that is all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 2, 7, and 10 minus 4, 6. So this will be our final answer. So when we are using the Nicholam Sutra here, what we are doing is simply we are writing the complements of 9 and complement of 10. So for all the numbers we write the complement of 9. For the last number we write the complement of 10. That's why if you remember the complements, we can just see the numbers and write the answer very fast. So this is how we apply the sutra here. Now let us see the three cases once again with taking some other reference base. Let us take base 1000 this time. So let us start. Now let us take base 1000. In base 1000, we have 3 zeros here in base 1000. 3 zeros means on the right side part, we must get 3 digits. If we get more than 3 digits, you have to put one slash and add the extra digit to the left hand side. So let us take case 1. When we take 1000 as base. Case 1 is when both the numbers are less than the base. So let us take 998 into 994 for example. So here both the numbers are less than the base. So 998 994. The process remains the same. Now here both the numbers are less than the base. Therefore we use the sutra Nikhilam Navata Charamam Drashta. That means for all the numbers we write complement of 9. For the last number we write complement of 10. So here 9 complement is 0, 9 complement is 0, and here 10 complement for 8 is 2. So this is a negative number. And here also 9 complement is 0. Here 9 complement is again 0. Here 4 complement of 10 is 6. This is also again negative number. Now here minus into minus will become plus. So 6 twos are, we get 12. 12 means we are getting only 2 digits, 1, 2. But we should not write 2 digits here, we must write 3 digits. That is 0, 1, 2. And then to get the left hand side answer, diagonally we subtract the numbers. 998 minus 6, 992, or 994 minus 2, 992. So this is our answer. This is the first case. Now let us go through the second case. Case 2. Case 2 is when both the numbers are more than the base. Our base is 1000 here. So we will take both the numbers more than 1000. For example, 1008 into 1012 for example. So we write 1008 as it is and 1012 as it is, and in the brackets you know these numbers are more than the base, so you will get it is more than 8, so it is 12 more. So in the bracket here you will get 8, here you have 12. So here plus into plus is plus again, 8 12s are 96, but we write 96 as 0, 9, 6. We must get 3 digits on the right hand side. Now to get the left hand side answer, diagonally we just add these numbers. 1008 plus 12 is 1020, and 1012 plus 8 is also 1020. So 1020. So this is our final answer. This is our answer. Now both these cases are very simple, very easy. Now let us go to the third case where we apply the sutra ekanyunyena purvena. Now let us see the third case. Now case 3 is when one number is less than the base and one number is more than the base. So we will take 992 into 1006 for example. Now one number is less than the base, one number is more than the base. So for this number we apply the Nicolam Sutra, and for 1006 directly you can write the excess. So here complement of 9 is 0, again complement of 9 is 0, and the last number 2. So complement of 10 you will write 8. So this is a negative number because it is less. Here we get 006. Now right hand side we multiply the numbers, you know that. So here plus into minus will become minus. So 6 8s are 48, but we write 3 digits here, 0, 4, 8. So these 3 digits are negative number. Now to get the left hand side answer, diagonally we go. 992 plus 6, 998, or 1006 minus 8, same, 998. This is what we get. But this is not our final answer. This is a negative number here. We have to change it into positive number. So to change it into positive number, we use the sutra ekanyunyena purvena. So 048. This 48 is negative number. Just before 48 here, what is the number here? 8. So we have to reduce this number by 1, or you can assume 998 you have to reduce by 1. So it will become 997. And for these numbers, apply Nicolam Sutra. Complement of 9 for 0 and 4, complement of 10 for 8, last number. So complement of 9 for 0 is 9, complement of 9 for 4 is 5, complement of 8 for 10 is 2. So this is our final answer. So here 9 minus 9, so 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 4 5, 10 minus 8 2. So this number is reduced by 1, and for these numbers we are applying the Nicolam Sutra, all from 9, last from 10, and we are getting the answer. So the problem becomes so simple and we can solve the problem very fast. So in the next video we will learn some more interesting multiplications. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.